हेलो एवरीवन। आज मैं बात करूंगा कि क्या हम सिमुलेशन में एवरीवन क्योंकि आई गोना टॉक अबाउट आर वी लिविंग इन सिमुलेशन in this world where most people think that we are in a simulation. We are some type of program material program stuff, this or that. Also we are created by such superior beings, like a program, we seeing a games type of things. It is said that everything has its advantages and disadvantages. Disadvantages is that, like, if connection problem, if somehow electricity gone, if I playing a PS4 game, suddenly electricity gone, then within that this game we are playing will be gone. If I won't save the game, now there is a save, there's a new way we can save the game. So it's so we can continue that portion, and we won't have problem to begin with from the beginning of the game. It won't happen. Suppose I'm gaming level 1 and playing the games. I reached level 6. Suddenly my electricity current gone. When I current came back, I won't be playing from the beginning start if I saved that game level. So also there are many problems like glitch. I have seen many glitch moments in the YouTube. Glitches, many glitches, like a character how getting transferred from one place to another place, or getting into a building which is I hope you understand. There are many examples, like in Spider-Man. If you go to a place which is not actually connected with main storyline, there mostly we see glitches every time, and there are many players who experience the glitches problem in many games. Even say in multiplayer single player, glitches should be there. Also, in multiplayer is a problem is that hackers come, but hackers come, they have to win everything, getting hack or try to win without any trying. I hope every gamer experience that one day hacker came to their streams or videos and do something. We have seen any glitches in our world, in our real life, or yes, I forgot. In games, basically open world games like GTA 5, GTA San Andreas, or Vice City, we can use cheat code, or also in Lego games too. We can use cheat code, and from a character we can create our own any character, even if it's from Marvel or DC or any other comics, La Academy 1 and Boys Series 1, and just new series came like Jupiter Legacy. Yes, Jupiter Legacy. Any by Chico we can choose any character from here. But does it happens in real life? Does our creator, who, if we think me as a simulation, then I hope whoever is controlling me, maybe one day he could change into a character that they like I if I like Iron Man, and if I am a superhero, I make a game of characters. Already there are many characters, 50, 60 characters, 100 characters, 1000 characters. Most are public, and 3 to 10 or 9 to 10 is main characters. Okay, so I choose one of them in character as Iron Man by using cheat code in GTA 5. I can make Iron Man or Venom or Superman, Batman, Poison Ivy. Many characters are there we can create by cheat code in GTA or Lego. But it doesn't happen anyone that if the superior beings favorite characters will. I haven't seen any superior beings to make my character change with another character, but my consciousness is there. My consciousness, my thinking will be same, but my body, my skin color, my height, my face changes. Are you understanding what I mean to say? Simulation. Anyways, also in every game, even if it's multiplayer or single player, does a character suddenly killed by someone by accident or murder, killing by anybody like zombies, apocalypse, or robots, or by guns, or by terrorists in Call of Duty, Last of Us, Resident Evil, that character, we see that character came again and again and again and again and again. But does any person came back from the dead, return from the dead, not as zombies, but as living being, as with emotions back? Has anyone seen? Or 10 times came back from dying? I haven't seen anyone. Yes, but it happens only one time that a person came back from death. Only one time, but not every time. Not every time. Not every time a person's come back, nor animals, nor dead trees, nor a human being come back to life. But only one time came back to life, but not all the time. Not all the time they come back to life. Try to understand this. Anyway, see this animation. In computer games, PS4 games, we see many of the glitches. See this, we can watch this, see this glitch. There are many glitches like this transport glitches. There are human speak objects. This see here, see. This is a type of glitch. Is there? See, wait and watch. Sing. Have you seen? Have anyone using in real life in like this? Like a taxi one and put a gun one. Have anyone seen? I have not seen. If anyone has seen, please comment down below. I want to know. See, like this. How this lady is opening a door with a key, but it's already open. It's a type of glitch, which is not happening in our life. Try to understand. Please, my friends. Those who are thinking about this, means don't use your useless logics here. This video here are the proofs. And you can see the proofs. And he see here. This guy and that lady, they're coming back, from back here. See, having you seen this lady or this guy like this, having a glitch like this? Please comment down below. Does anyone see? This. Has anyone seen this type of glitch in kind of glitches in games? I haven't experienced this kind of glitches in my real life, nor I have given some tasks to do, like in missing or cutscenes there, or yes, boss fights. In every game there's a boss fights in there, especially single player games like say Last of Us games or Resident Evil games, Spider-Man games, Avengers games. Everywhere we see only single bosses. With each level single bosses fight happens with their gooms. Many people, the boss have many gooms there, like slaves. I hope you understand. Many boss has their own gooms or their own people with whom we have to kill first to go forward to the boss, to kill bosses. I hope you understand. Sorry for that slowly versions of my bad language. Anyways, in every game you have to cross the level of the games, and also within crossing the level you have to fight with the boss's goon or my enemy. Suppose I am a hero, there is a villains, and villain have many team groups, a bunch of group there, and we have to first finish to go to the main boss. So what we do, we can't directly to the boss. We go step by step, by level wise, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. How much level I don't know. First take the examples of Minecraft. There's many ways. Many enemies are there, like witch or like giant slender man, king, enderman, wonderman, I don't know, whatever. So that is also type of open world game. And I hope you understand all this. See these images, like this, are we are upgrading ourselves or our superiors will make this us as simulation? Yes, we are upgrading as this. अगर मैं सिमुलेशन होगा ना तो मैं बाई चांस मैं सडनली मैं गायब हो जाएगा और मेरे मम्मी पापा या फिर फ्रेंड्स हैं ना मेरे जो मोमेंट्स मैंने बिताया है ना वो आगे मिट जाएगा पर ऐसा नहीं होगा तो और ऐसा इसलिए कह रहा हूँ कि इसके साथ साथ एक और कहानी है तो हमें हिंदुइज्म में आग का पाखा नहीं होगा बर्निंग अ डेड बॉडी और बर्निंग अ डेड बॉडी इन क्रिश्चियनिटी और मुस्लिम्स